Namaste students. So in this video we are going to discuss about number of government seats, only government seats in different category. Full details I am going to give you. I hope that it will help you to make a choice of colleges, which means for option entry, preference order, to make that preference order it may help you, and it is a general information. So go through the video. If you already prepared and have already made the option entry, then don't see this video at all, right? So if it is needed to your friends also, you can share. Fine. Now you can see here, in this case MBBS seat matrix, government seats I am going to tell you. General category. General category means it will comes under all these. Remember here 1G means one category 1 general, K means Kannada medium, R means rural. Like that you can read for all. Now you can see number of seats, 1G 89 seats are there in Karnataka under general category government seats, including government college and private college. And for all these, remember, you can add 150 seats to the second round. And one thing I will tell you, so many students were asking, for second round the seat will increase. It is not like that. Common sense, if you think, second round seats will be there only those seats which are left over after first round, or you can say which is cancelled by the first round allotted students. Hence definitely 100% seats will be allotted in the first round. In the second round only remaining seats will be allotted. Remember that. For that Chamarajanagar college is going to add now. Hence remember 150 you can make a new option entry form. Fine. Now you can see 2AG 333, 2AK 21. You can take the snapshot and you can read this also. So 3AG 89, 3BG 111. But important general merit you can see 1111. Then GMK 69, GMR 208, SCG 333. Like that 21, 62, 67, 4 and STR 13 seats are there. Then you can see in this particular case Hyderabad Karnataka quota. Under Hyderabad Karnataka quota, so 24 seats for 1H. Wherever H is there, Hyderabad Karnataka, K is there, Kannada medium, R means rural, 2A, 2B, 1, category 1, these are the category, GM is general merit. So, right, so 1 seats for 1KH, 1RH, 2AH for 89 seats are there, 2BH 24 seats are there, 3H 24, 3BH 30 and GMH 299, GMKH 199, GMRH 156, SCH 89, STH 18, like that STRH 3 seats are there. Then you can see for this is also general merit, this is also government seats only, special category seats. So Anglo-Indian only 1 seat is there in one particular college, CAF which means Central Armed Police Force only 1 seat allotted. Defense 10 seats are there, Jammu Kashmir migrants 18 seats are there, NCC 10 seats are there. This is for MBBS, remember. Physically handicapped 189 seats are there. SG means so many students were asking single girl child. It is not single girl, it is scout and guide. 5 seats are there. Sports category 7 seats are there and X defense 8 seats are there. And one thing remember, software will allot the seat for these special category first. Hence, if your score is good, immediately if you present in this category, you are going to get the seat in that particular category. So this is for MBBS. Then you can see this is BDS seat matrix. You can take the screenshot and you can see that. So highest number of seats you can see GM 302 seats are there. Next BDS seat matrix for Hyderabad Karnataka category. You can see that 74 seats, highest for GMH category. Then special category seats you can see government seats are there, special category, highest PH 50 seats are there. You can take the screenshot of this and you can easily go through this particular seat. So this is about the number of seats for BDS seat matrix, government seat, special category. So now I will tell you for private seats category. So see that. Now this is number of private seats for different category, full details, right? So in this particular case, private seats I am going to tell you for MBBS first. Here GMP seats in all private colleges, it is there GMP category, which means general merit private category. So 642 seats are there. All those categories which we have seen in the government, 1A, 2A, 2B, 3B, everything considered under general merit. General merit private Hyderabad Karnataka. Remember, Kaza Bande Nawaz only 2 seats are there. Mahadevappa Rampura Medical College 42 seats are there. Navodaya Medical College Raichur 3 seats are there. Total 47 seats are there for GMPH. Linguistic Tamil MA category, MVJ Medical College only 55 seats are there. Only Tamil category college, that is MVJ. Some students were asking Rajarajeshwari about that. Remember, Rajarajeshwari Medical College is deemed university, so deemed university will not be allotted any seats under KEA for the Rajarajeshwari College. Religious minority Christian, you can see only one college, 55 seats are there, Father Muller. Linguistic Telugu kind of category, remember, so 3 colleges are there, that is actually 4 colleges are there. So Akash Institute of Medical Science 55, Oxford Medical College 54, Subbaya Medical College 55. Then another is there, Vaidehi Medical College in this case. I don't know why I am not seeing this. So I will show you that. Vaidehi, see here it is there. Vaidehi Medical Institute of Medical Science Bangalore, that is 90 seats are there. Total it is of, remember, 254 seats are there in this. So linguistic Telugu ME category, remember that. Now you can see MBBS seat matrix for private seats. Linguistic Telugu category, MEH category, Navodaya Medical College 55 seats are there. Religious Muslim MM category, so 54 seats for Al-Amin Medical College. Kanachur Institute of Medical Science, that is 54 seats are there in that, so total 10 seats are allotted under KEA. Religious Muslim MMH, Kaza Bande Nawaz Institute of Medical Science, that is 40 seats are there. Linguistic Tulu MU, AJ Institute 54 and Srinivas Institute, so 55, total 109. And non-Karnataka, only for non-Karnataka, this is for only non-Karnataka students, remember, 643 seats are there. In all the colleges the seats are allotted, so open category we call it as for non-Karnataka students. Then you can see BDS seat matrix for private seats. GMP in this case 429 seats are there. College list I have not made here. You can see the seat matrix for this more information. GMP 75 seats. Linguistic Tamil 36. Linguistic Kodava is there here. It is not there in the medical, but here it is there because one Coorg Institute of Medical Science, it is there in the Madikeri. So linguistic Telugu 167 seats are there. So linguistic Telugu MVH Hyderabad Karnataka, H means 36 seats. Religious Muslim 30 seats are there. Religious Muslim Hyderabad Karnataka 36 seats are there. So linguistic Tulu 72 seats. Open Karnataka students 430 seats are there. Okay, here others quota you can see NRI quota 641 seats are there under MBBS, 395 seats for BDS. Others management quota, so 196 seats are there for MBBS and 104 seats are there for BDS. This is the complete information about seat matrix which is released by KEA for round 1. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.